Into a blender, add 2 cups frozen mango chunks. Mango naturally brings vitamin C. 1 cup full fat coconut milk. And 1 tablespoon maple syrup. Blend until perfectly smooth and creamy. Loaded with juicy mango goodness and creamy coconut for that refreshing vacation vibe. Enjoy your dairy-free scoop. A rich, velvety treat packed with potassium and healthy fats. Come on, let's make it. Into a blender, add 2 frozen bananas, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, and 2 tablespoons almond milk. Blend these ingredients well. To serve your kids, sprinkle with crushed peanuts, drizzle with melted dark chocolate. Enjoy your dairy-free scoop. Let's make it. Into a blender, add frozen chunks of 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup full fat coconut milk, and 1 to 2 tablespoons pure maple syrup. I am giving you's secret tip to yummy flavor. Give a quick squeeze of lime juice while blending. It balances the flavor and keeps the bright color intact. Enjoy your dairy-free scoop. Trust me, your kid's gonna love this one because of its blue color naturally from blue spirulina. Add the frozen banana slices, coconut cream, blue spirulina, and vanilla extract. Blend until the mixture transforms into a smooth, thick consistency. Top with a sprinkle of unsweetened desiccated coconut or freeze-dried raspberry dust, or any sprinklers that you like.